everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I have a bulldog and a baby in front of me. So I don't know how this is gonna go, but I wanted to share with you a recent purchase. As you can tell by the title, this is a Jellycat video. So for the longest time, I have absolutely wanted to purchase a Jellycat, but I don't know, I just never did. And then when I found out I was pregnant, I said to my husband, this is something I 100% want to buy our child, boy or girl. He's smiling at me. I just think they're such a special piece, and yeah, it was super exciting and kind of emotional when I went to purchase this item. So oh my god, I'm so distracted. So Easter in Australia is coming up, and I was thinking there's literally no better gift that I can give our son than a Jellycat bunny for his first Easter. So it's exactly what I wanted, and it is exactly what I purchased. So in Australia, I picked this up from David Jones, and yeah, he was with me. There was two, and I showed my son both. He smiled at this one, so this is the one that I purchased. So he hasn't received this yet. He's just under 4 months old, so he will be getting this for Easter, even though he's sitting there and he's gonna see it again. But this is the bunny that I picked out / he picked out as well. I just think this colorway is so beyond stunning. It's super unique with this particular color because each bunny is so different. I just really like that. I can't get over how soft these things are. Like, they are so beautiful. He's smiling, he's so excited. But yeah, as I said, this will be his first Easter present and the most beautiful thing to remember his first Easter. So Jellycats, if you aren't aware, do come in so many different colors, and there are so many different websites you can order off that actually personalize the bunnies with like whatever you want really on the ear, on the inside or outside, whatever you prefer. But yeah, I just love it so much. So they do say Jellycat here, and of course they do have the little tag. So this, as I said, I picked up from Big W. This is the medium bashful cottontail bunny, and there is an item number if you are looking to purchase in Australia. Hopefully that is, yeah, that's focusing. So, and this retails for $59.95. Jellycat also does a range of different animals. So if you just don't particularly like the bunnies, there are so many different ones you can choose from. Being the medium size as well, the measurements are 31 centimeters high by about 12 centimeters in width. And what it says about this one, I believe that this is called the brown color, I believe. So this is called pretty cotton, no, not what it's called. This is described on the website as pretty cottontail bunny is the picture of bunny style with her fluffy two-tone sweet fur, friendly smile. Is she grey or orange, silver or fawn? Who knows, but she's lopping out on the lawn. These are also tested for ages 1, 2, 3 and for all ages. That doesn't actually make sense, this website. Then it says suitable from birth. That makes no sense, Jellycat website. Maybe check that. But yeah, super excited. And as I said, this is my first Jellycat. It's not for me, but in our family, and I feel like this is going to be an addiction that grows and grows and grows. So let me know your thoughts. Do you have this bunny? How many Jellycats are in your collection? I would love to know, and thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video soon. Thanks again. Bye!